How are you? Welcome back to COEP MTech Admission Counseling by gkrocketCoEP. Indian Automotive Sector is one of the largest sector in the world and it counts 7.1% in the Indian economical GDP. It also contributes 22% in the Indian manufacturing GDP. So guys, this specialization will be very good platform to enter into the Indian automotive sector. Today we have Mr. Sagar Bhangre with us. He is my classmate and very positive guy. He will introduce you a MTech in automotive technology at COEP. So welcome Mr. Sagar Bhangre.
Hello guys, this is Sagar Bhangre. Currently I am doing my MTech in automotive technology at College of Engineering, Pune. Being an automotive enthusiast, I find myself fortunate enough to got into COEP. The reason for that is there are very few institutions which provide you this course, and again COEP is very renowned institution. And for this course, COEP has a tie-up with Automotive Research Association India, ARI. So if you are more into automobile, you know it's a big deal. So currently I am in my second year. So throughout this first year, I learned and experienced different things about COEP. Firstly, when you got into COEP, you find different clubs, different communities, different conferences, extracurricular, co-curricular activities happening around the campus throughout the year. Then TED Talks is there. So I do believe these things help you evolve as a student. Again, there are some non-technical activities, cultural activities, so they are very fun to enjoy. So in one hand, COEP teaches you to evolve as a student. On the other hand, ARI teaches you to be more professional and more industry oriented. So like in academics, I experienced a whole lot of difference as compared to my B institute. So there is no hard and fast rule for examination. If we consider internal examinations, like in previous semesters, we were having mini projects for many subjects rather than conventional theoretical examination. So I do find those very helpful to get to learn different things which are out of the syllabus and to get acquainted with the trendy things happening in my domain, which is automotive. So I do believe these are some pros of getting into COEP. The final verdict, COEP really provides you the opportunity to stand out in your own way, and it teaches you the difference between being passionate about the thing and being passionate about building the things or creating that thing. Thank you.
Thank you Sagar. Thank you so much. I would like to tell some short points regarding MTech Automotive Technology, that Automotive Technology is top class branch in COEP where all the passionate people are looking for the admission, and it also has a tie-up with Automotive Research Association of India, ARI Pune. Next is intake of this automotive technology branch is 40 student, and 36 seats are reserved for the regular student and 4 seats are reserved for the sponsor student. So total batch will be of 40 student. In general, 20 student allotted project in COEP and 20 allotted in the ARI. And this is very dynamic specialization where you can balance academic research and your extracurricular activities as well. So here is one benefit, that internship and placement opportunities are available at both places, like COEP and ARI also. You can appear at both places in even though it is same company. Very important thing is cutoff. So guys, you may have went through the cutoff list of DTE. There you can find that merit number and score both are provided, but don't confuse in merit number. So merit number depends on the how many students appear for the MTech admission procedure and based on the score. So we are going to focus only on the score. This is very easy to understand, so don't confuse in merit number. So that's it. Cutoff for the regular student, we'll going to see cap 1, cap 2, and cap 3. What happen, cutoffs are declared for the cap round 1, and the cutoffs are like this: 632 for the open, 613 for the OBC, 561 for the SCBC, that is Maratha category in Maharashtra, and 549 for the NT1, 536 for the NT2, 414 for the VJ, 317 for the SC, 258 for the ST, 256 for the PWD open candidate, and 377 for the EWS. That is EWS is very beneficial category. I have already discussed in my last video as well. You can see cutoff was very high for the open, and it was lowest for the ST category, 258. It means if you are belonging to VJ, SC or ST candidate or EWS, you can get easily admission in the automotive technology. So moving forward, cap 2 cutoff only changed for the open, OBC and SCBC category, and cutoff of first round for NT, NT2, NT1, NT2, VJ, SC and ST were remains same. So cutoff decreased somewhat, like 614 for the open, 561 for the OBC and 560 for the SCBC. So nearby cutoff are same for the OBC and SCBC. We can see here also. For the round 3, cutoff for the open also decreased drastically, that 575, and OBC for the OBC 538, and for the SCBC 540, and all the cutoffs remain same as declared in first round for all other categories. And this was the cutoff scenario. So summary is, if you are belonging to open category and if you have 550 plus score, you may have chances of getting automotive technology. If you are belonging to OBC category and if your score is more than 520, then well and good, you may have chances of automotive technology. And for the SCBC also you should have at least 520 score. So all the remaining branches, be comfortable. You can go through your cutoff of declared in first round, and there were no changes happen because the number of candidates from categories are very less. So you can get seat if you have good score. At least you should have score nearby 450 plus or minus. And if you are belonging to EWS category, you are very lucky, you can get easily. So this was cutoff for the regular student, and cutoff for the sponsor student is as follow. Sponsor students are those who have minimum 2 years of industrial experience. They don't need a GATE exam for the MTech admission as well. MTech admission is based on the engineering percentage. So in a cap round 1, cutoff for the sponsor student was 62.80 percentage, and in cap round 2 and cap round 3, what happened, there were no sponsor students, so these seats are allotted to the non-sponsor student, that is regular student, and cutoff was 558 and 530. So next one more category is orphan category. If you are orphan student, you have some relaxation, and cutoff was 607. This was all about the cutoff for the MTech automotive technology, and this cutoff is nearby same as that of the design and thermal also. So don't worry, you have more options like design, thermal and automotive. So taking fast forward, next point is fee structure. This is one of the big problem of automotive technology branch, that is amount of fees is very big. We need to pay 1,61,900 rupees for the first year and 1,53,500 for the second year, and totally it becomes 3,15,400 rupees. So this is very huge amount, and it is only because of ARI tie-up. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that you need to again pay some extra fees to ARI for their facilities like uniform, mess, iCard and all that we'll going to see. But guys, if you cannot afford this big fees, don't worry guys, let me tell you my own story, that I have also applied for the loan in my engineering, and it was 4 lakh, and with interest it went up to the 6 lakh. Again in MTech I took education loan, and it was 3,20,000. So totally it became 9 lakh. So it is very huge amount, that 9 lakh education loan is on me. But don't worry guys, if you work hard sincerely, then this can be your 1 year salary only. So if you are passionate, if you are interested in automotive technology, don't discourage yourself, you can go ahead with choosing this branch. So next point is facilities. Facilities means I am talking about ARAI facilities. All the facilities of COEP I have already discussed in my second video, that is COEP the better place for MTech, and you can go through it. For the ARI facility, I would like to discuss here that first of all I would like to tell you that ARAI Academy is situated at HTC Forging Division at Chakan, and it is 35 km away from the COEP. So you need to travel by the bus, and this bus facility is given by the COEP, but some lettering or some requests are to be done. Don't worry guys, I will be there to help you in getting this bus facility. I will try for you also. Next is ARI library. This is very good facility in ARI, that is it is digital library. All the research paper will be freely available to you at the ARI library, and there is a huge support for the research work, that if you are looking for the research publishing research paper or filing patent or something, ARI will support you fully. One more thing is you have to enter in the ARI Academy before 8:30 am, and you cannot leave ARI Academy before 4:30 pm. So if you have done with your schedule before 1 or 2 hours, there is sport room available. You can go and spend your time with your friends. So next is it is somewhat like industrial environment is given to you. The exams are not like pen and paper type. There are some teachers who gives you small project, and you have to just complete this project, and project review is considered as your exam. So this is very good that you can do some practical things. These things are provided by the ARI, like 2 uniforms, 1 t-shirt, 1 iCard, and mess is provided by the ARI, and for these you have to pay some extra fees to ARI, and I told you you have to clear these things at the time of your MTech admission. So next point is a well exposed environment to learn new recent technologies. Like even if you are from mechanical background, ARI teachers will teach you about machine learning, artificial intelligence. So this is all about the facilities provided by ARI, and it is up to you how much you have to use it. Course structure of this automotive technology is very vast. You need to obtain 68 credits for the MTech degree certificate. Automotive technology covers all the technical fields like mathematics. There are some bridge courses, like for example, if you are from mechanical engineering background, bridge courses will introduce to you automobile tech engineering. There are some electives offered, and you can choose as per your interest. Some learning core courses like IC engine design and modeling, laboratory work, interdisciplinary subject like automotive intelligence, mechatronics. This will introduce you to electronics part, electronics study, and programming languages and all that. There are some liberal learning courses, self-learning courses, and skill-based courses. You can also keep your hobbies and you learn professionally also. This course is divided in 4 semesters, and semester 1 has 21 credits, and there are some important subjects like alternative fuels and emission. This subject is very important for the internship interview. Hybrid electric vehicle, automotive noise, vibration and harshness. This is very simple but important subject. This subject will help you in interview also. So vehicle dynamics, the core subject of automotive technology and most important subject of automotive technology is vehicle dynamics. If you are talking about vehicle dynamics in any interview, and if you told that I am interested in vehicle dynamics, there are 50% more chances of. So semester 2 it includes 23 for the semester 2 there are 23 credits are given. In this semester there is one mini project and some important subject like finite element method, computational fluid dynamics, automotive intelligence. This subject will cover your artificial intelligence, machine learning and some programming languages as well. It depends on you that how much you have to learn. So there are some core subject IC engine modeling and design also. So in the semester 2 there are IOC and LLC subject are given. In the LLC subject you can keep your hobbies of sketching, learning new languages. Combining semester 1 and semester 2, your first year of MTech Automotive Technology will be completed. In a second year there is only one main project. Semester 2 and semester 4 have given 12 credits individually, and one main project throughout the year. and one 12-week online course on NPTEL. You need to do this course, and you can choose as per your interest also. So this was all about the course structure of MTech Automotive Technology. Guys, placement scenario, I know everyone is waiting for this, and let me tell you, internship means doing your second year project in an industry, and for the internship companies are generally comes in the first year, and for the placement companies are comes in the second year. But there is one problem in automotive technology for internship, that only 50%, that is out of 40, only 20 students are allowed to go for the internship, and this is not for other branches like mechatronics and all that. But if you are automotive guy, every year 15 plus minus student got the internship, and some company also directly gives PPO, that is pre-placement offer based on your performance. And companies also provide stipend of 20 to 30k. This will be a very good thing that your economy can be stable with this stipend. And the important placement scenario of 2019 batch was like 24 students were placed out of 27, and the placement scenario of this branch, that is 2020 batch, is like as follow. So there were a 31 student batch, and 14 students were placed in core IT company, 7 students placed in pure IT, and 10 students could not get their offer yet because of this pandemic situation. But as I have discussed with my senior, out of these 10, 4 to 5 students again got the job, and in this way total nearby 25 students got the job in this batch, and the average package was 6.5 lakh per annum, and the highest package in this year was 13 lakh per annum, and only one student was selected for this L'Oreal company. So taking fast forward, industrial visit, ARI arranges industrial visits every year. COEP provides half fees to you, and good support from the both sides, that is COEP and ARI. So you can also enjoy your time with your friends in industrial visit. Guys, we'll discuss about some pros and cons. Firstly, we'll discuss cons, and later on I will cover up with the pros, and will tell you how good the automotive technology is. First problem is very big amount of fees. If your economy is not good, you cannot afford this much fees. And pros is like COEP will provide you support for the education loan, and it is not like only high grade score student will get the education loan. Everyone who is applying for the education loan will get education loan, and that's it. The second problem is very hectic schedule, because in the first semester you have to go 3 days to ARI and 2 days to COEP. In second semester 2 days to ARI and 3 days to COEP. Going to ARI and coming back is like 60 to 70 kilometer traveling, and you cannot find a separate time for anything. Guys, I would like to tell you one more thing, that if you are looking for the preparation of some government exam or GATE IAS preparation while doing MTech in automotive technology, sincerely speaking, this branch is not for you guys, because you cannot find any separate time. One more problem is you need a good physical and mental strength, because traveling 60 to 70 km per day is not a joke, and traffic is very high in a Pune city, and you have to spend your 2.5 hours to 3 hours in a traveling. So you need a physical strength as well as mental strength also. So pros are like it is very dynamic place to build yourself. If you can handle this situation, you can handle anything anywhere. So here is one more thing, that you have double opportunity for the placement as well as internship. Like sometimes same companies are coming in the ARI and COEP also, so you can appear at both the places. So this is something good for us. And one more thing, there is very good personal development and professional growth and very good chances, but it depends on you, how much you are dedicated to your work. So guys, this was all about the COEP MTech in automotive technology. Comment box is open for you. Raise your doubts, join my WhatsApp group, join my Telegram channel. Feel free to ask me, feel free to raise your doubts, no problem. You can contact me anytime, anywhere. Thank you. See see you in COEP. Bye bye.